Are you looking to maximize the success of sinus implants? Let me introduce the Sinus Crestal Approach, SCA Kit. This kit includes a specially designed S-reamer that ensures safe drilling. Even if it comes into direct contact with the sinus membrane during the procedure, it won't cause any damage. It's all about safety and precision, giving you peace of mind during sinus implant surgeries. The SCA kit allows you to create a hole in the inferior cortical wall that's precisely the size of the implant apex without causing any membrane damage. As you can see, a thin bone layer forms during the drilling process, making it even safer and more effective. Not only does it work on a flat sinus wall, but the SCA kit can also safely form a hole the size of the implant apex on a tilted sinus wall without any membrane damage. You can see in the pig jaw demo next to it that there's no membrane damage at all. Even on a sinus wall with a septum, the SCA kit safely forms a hole the size of the implant apex without causing membrane damage. The septum area contains a lot of cortical bone, so creating a properly sized hole in this cortical area without damaging the membrane can provide much stronger primary stability. When it comes to implant placement, achieving strong fixation is crucial. This is where the SCA kit comes into play. The SCA kit creates a perfectly sized hole for the implant apex in the inferior cortical wall. This allows the implant apex to engage securely with the inferior cortical wall, providing what's known as inferior cortical fixation. As a result, bicortical fixation is achieved, giving you significantly stronger stability. But that's not all. By using Neobiotech's CMI implant, you can also compact the weaker middle cancellous bone. This self-compaction leads to middle fixation, enhancing the stability of the implant. With the CMI implant, you get fixation in 3 critical areas: the crestal, middle, and inferior parts of the bone. This multi-level fixation provides an unmatched level of stability, ensuring the long-term success of the implant.